unboxing. We got the earlier shipment in, and then I went by and there were some more books. Before we start on that though, I want to share with you some books that I got in yesterday after school that I've already worked on getting cataloged. The first one is The Land of Stories, the Ultimate Book Hugger's Guide. I had a 5th grade student specifically ask for this one. And you noticed in our last one we talked about Mr. Bedware's The Comb. We have a replacement copy for that. And this series is a very popular series, Science Comics. They've got some new editions out. We've got Science Comics, the Digestive System, and then Science Comics Spiders to add to our Science Comics collection that we already have. We also got a new Troll Hunters book, Tales of Arcadia. We got the sequel to the Willa series, Willa of the Wood. We got the sequel to it, or Willa of Dark Hollow. Our kids are really excited about this series. It's by Robert Beatty. And if you don't know anything about that, he wrote the Serafina series, which is set around the Biltmore house, which is not very far from us, so that's kind of exciting. We also got The Land of Stories, the Mother Goose Diaries. This is a companion book to the Land of Stories series. We got Cat Kid and Comic Club. Again, this is in the universe of the Dogman series. It's part of that. Cat Kid is, and the kids love this book. Oh, here's another Science Comics, Skyscrapers. Oh, and guys, we got Bad Guys, number 11, Dawn of the Underlord. And I had a special request from some students for some MMO books, and that is the popular MMO series, and the name of this book is Enter the Mine. Now, let's see what we've got in our other packages that we got today. This is exciting. It's almost like getting a bunch of gifts, but it's the gift of reading that we're sharing. Okay, in this package is Big Nate, The Gerbil Ate My Homework. Let's see, this is another one that maybe only has one book in it. Let's find out. Oh, it's got 2. It has a Big Nate book, Big Nate Aloha, and Science Comics, Flying Machines. Again, very popular series of nonfiction books. And then here's our last box for today. Let's see what we're getting. Oh, it's a replacement copy for Dogman Lord of the Fleas. Again, a popular series, and these books are all so well loved that I'm always having to get replacement copies. So a good choice. Guys, thanks for tuning in today for unboxing at the Tigerville Library. I can't wait to see you guys with these books in your hands.